Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So you can watch that, guys, if you want more clarity in your circumstances. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. Leos, we have Three of Suns in reverse, Fortitude in reverse, and Eight of Stars in reverse. So, in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling really confused or unable to see things more clearly. Something is confusing you. You have doubts maybe in your work. When you're making some important decisions, you don't know what to make because you do not know whether it will go in the right way. So you fear certain outcome, you fear the future, and you are quite confused because you don't know the truth behind certain circumstances. So you are quite emotional, maybe angry or sad, stressed out, because you are someone who wants to make a clear choice and you are dedicated, and today in your circumstances you feel a lot confused. You may have some doubts on certain things, maybe even your actions, whether you're doing things the right way. So you feel really weak, unable to do things the right way, unable to decide the right way in your circumstances. And that may be the situation even in this relationship. You feel that you are unable to see things more clearly. And today in this relationship, maybe you lack clarity. You do not understand this person, what is their intention, or what is there in their heart deep down. So you lack clarity and understanding, and you do not trust this person, and you feel that you need to do so much, adjust, trying to bring that understanding and trying to have a balanced relationship. You are doing too much and you feel really stressed and lost, and the way you see these circumstances are really different from the way this person sees that. And maybe today you are even thinking of leaving this person, and it may be your energy towards this relationship or their energy towards you. Or if you are moving away from someone, maybe a friend or a family member, you are cutting ties with this person. You should not do it abruptly, guys, because it is going to affect the way things are, and it is going to be a great emotional stress on you. You may not realize the effect right now, but if you do it, you are going to feel really lost, sad, and you are going to be really emotional, angry or sad. So it is simply going to upset you a lot. And you should not make any drastic decisions today, Leos. You must wait, maybe. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Temperance. So this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So with this card, it looks like you want balance, you want harmony, and you want peace of mind. And maybe you are moving towards that. All those problems, lack of clarity, doubts, whatever it was you have in this connection, you are trying to understand this person, and your circumstance may resolve. Maybe even this person is thinking of that. They do not want to continue the same way. They do not want troubles anymore, and they want you, they love you. So they are also trying to adapt for the better of this connection. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship, Leos. Let's see what is the card for your career. We have the Magician. So you are really cheerful, confident, happy, feeling really inspired, and you are clever. So you are thinking about the right way to do things, and you are making good efforts, and you are seeing positive changes in your work situation, and destiny is working in a beautiful way in your career circumstances, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Your pick a card reading is coming up right now. Stay tuned for that, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are holding on to some ideas or maybe some belief you have, and you are not willing to let go of it. And though you are with people who care for you, who love you a lot, you feel really lonely because you are, what to say, holding on to some belief system or something, and you need to connect to it day on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you are doing something, maybe practicing some rituals, or holding on to something very deep, something very secretively, and you feel really happy to be in that space, to have that alone time, be in that space, because you have a lot of imagination and you are someone who loves that time with yourself. And today you may not like the people who are disturbing it, and you even fear letting people so close to you that they will come to know what you are deep down, what you are really. So you just keep them away, a step away, shielding yourself. But today the energy with this card is, maybe at least for a moment, you should let go of this obsession, or maybe you should not hide yourself so secretly. You must let at least one person, someone who is truly concerned about you, who truly loves you, to let them come closer to you, let them in. That is going to change, at least for a moment. So you must let go of all your obsession, or maybe you are pushing certain people away from you because you are scared that it will affect that delicate balance you have. And your inner world is much richer than your outer world, so you simply enjoy in that space, in that alone time. But today you need to what to say, if you want to recreate your world in a better way, you must willingly, consciously allow someone close to you that is going to impact you in a positive way. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, Archangel Raphael. So with this card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel stands for healing, and this angel protects us when we are traveling. So if you are traveling, you can pray to this angel for a safe travel. And also this angel card just means that we are healing emotionally, physically and spiritually. So it just helps us, this angel influences us to take up a healthy lifestyle, what will make us heal physically. At the same way, what is emotional healing? Giving up all those toxic feelings that we have. So this angel also assists us in that, and it gives us insight into what is beneficial for us, what is beneficial for us mentally, what is good for us physically, and what is the right thing for us emotionally and spiritually. And this angel stands for healing power, guys. So you can pray to this angel, or you are on the path to healing. So you are changing your lifestyle, trying to do things in a better way, improving your health, and even in your personal life. Maybe you are hurt about something, or you're feeling hurt. You should give up all that hurt, and you must try to be more positive. Give up all those toxic feelings of hurt, resentment, guilt, whatever you have, and move towards positive feelings. Be aware of your circumstances and the blessings that you have in your life today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.